Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable automatically turn off screen in your Samsung phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After open the settings app, just scroll down, then go to display option. From here scroll down again, then go to screen timeout option. That's it. Now here you can find 6 options: 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes and 10 minutes. If you want to disable or stop automatically turn off screen in your phone, at first you have to select 10 minutes option from here. And after select the 10 minutes, you have to enable this option, keep screen on while viewing. So just tap here to enable this option and it's done. Now it will keep the screen on while you are looking at it, using the front camera to detect your face, and that's it. Now you have to manually turn off your screen. Just go to home screen and then double tap on the screen and you can see it's turned off successfully. And that is how you can disable automatically turn off screen in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.